Welcome back, Crypto Farm community. I am your host, Jordan. Today, we're going to be diving down into a brand new NFT called Metatriads that you need to pay attention to. Why? Because the minting date is right around the corner. We're talking about March 14th. This is going to blow off the shelf, ladies and gentlemen. If you would like to, be sure that you follow their Twitter. Not only that, but join their Discord. We will talk more about that towards the end of the video, but very important that you guys join the Discord so you can participate in everything that they have to offer. So whenever it comes to their Twitter page, you guys can see that they currently have over 45,000 followers. They are definitely starting to grow. If we get a look at this tweet just from 9 hours ago, it states getting Metatriads whitelist is harder than ever before. Do you want to win? Well, all you have to do, as stated, you gotta follow at Metatriads, retweet and tag 3 friends, and join the Discord, as we will talk more about towards the end of this video. As you guys can see, it ends in 48 hours for the giveaway, but get a look at these different clothings. Get a look at this artwork for these NFTs. You guys can actually see that people are definitely retweeting here. I just saw it move quite fast there. Let's go ahead and move on to our second one. It says whitelist giveaway. The team is at Metatriads have given me some whitelist spots to hand out. All you have to do, once again, is follow, like, retweet, and tag friends below. Winners announced on this post soon. So we got another sick type of clothing. Let's go down just a little bit further. So I definitely do like these NFTs, especially whenever it comes to the artwork. Just remember that the minting date, as stated, is coming up very soon on March the 14th. So if we dive down into the website, it states own clothing brands in 3 worlds. The time left is right here, ladies and gentlemen. We got 3 days. Click here to join the Discord. Let's go ahead and scroll down here. So press about us. Looks like they have been on Yahoo Finance, News, BTC. We got Bazinga, we got Market Watch, we got B2C. These are some big players in the game. So the trades benefits, earning profit shares from the Web 0.30 marketplace. Each NFT holder will receive income from the first one-stop fashion marketplace for all 3 worlds. Real, AR, and Metaverse integrated with each other. And we have exclusive access. Getting exclusive early access on limited fashion drops that can be sold before official launches. Holders will have the upper hand on all collections. Joining the tribunal. It says by becoming one of the founders of trades, holders will receive votes in the tribunal deo, becoming a community managed project. And we got coin airdrops. Metatrade NFT holders will be airdropped 9 trades per day. Tray ERC20 standard token will have a future utility on the marketplace by being the main currency of the ecosystem. NFT breeding and airdrops. By holding at least 2 trades, holders will be able to breed a new Jin, also known as a Delta, in the parallel universe. Mutating to Jin Delta, holders will be airdropped by new Jin NFTs. And then we got the Delta update. We got a major update is coming up on March 30th. So you better be ready and you better participate here. So if we take a look, we do have some more NFTs. Get a look at the designs as stated. They definitely look sick. Different backgrounds, different hairs, different tattoos, different eyes. There is a lot of different things going on here whenever it comes to this NFT project. So for the story, it states that there are 3 races in the Tradeverse. There's 3,333 humans, 3,333 humanoids, 3,333 hybrids. After centuries of war between each other, the planet is exhausted on the verge of destruction. In the year 3,333, the chosen one of a kind of the new race is born, who unites them all for one purpose: mine the last Tray planet's main resource to power intergalactic travel and repopulate the new world. So diving down into the roadmap, we got stage 0, 450,000 seed fundraised to establish 2 offices in the heart of EU. We're talking about Vienna and US New York. A team of highly competent new members with passion gathered to unite 3 worlds. So 3 separate worlds. Stage 1, the project assembles and whitelist opens 4. We're talking about whales and partner organizations, loyal community members, the first of the trade's general public. And we have stage 2, collection launch, OpenSea verification, rarity sniper integration. Stage 3, DAO, tribunal voting, smart contract integration, launch of the trade token. Trade's intergalactic travel enables the breeding of the next gen deltas, story progression, and new utilities. Then we have stage 4, marketplace launch on Web 3.0 e-commerce, Decentraland, Sandbox, Intraverse integration unites all 3 marketplaces. If we go ahead and scroll down just a little bit further, we got the tribunal right here, the dream team empowering the vision of the trades. So we have the people that are currently in charge. It looks like they do have LinkedIn, which means that they are doxed. If we go ahead and scroll down just a little bit further here, it states that they do have careers, and then we got friendly ask questions. So be sure that you guys are ready and prepared for this NFT. As I stated, we got 3 days. Be sure that you check out the Discord, okay? Once you check out the Discord, this is what is going to pop up. This is going to provide you to go through verification. And once you go through verification, you're actually going to have access to all of the different rooms, okay? I want to make that very, very clear. So for all the rooms, we're going to be able to take a look at the utility. We're going to take a look at the press about us. We're going to take a look at the official links. We got many different things here. We got sneak peeks. We got announcements, we got giveaways, we got so many things that are here for this Discord. If we take a look at the community, you guys can see that there is a massive amount of people over here. So be sure, as stated, if you have not had the opportunity to join, so follow their Twitter page and join their Discord. It is that easy. So anyways, if you guys will, leave some comments down below and please tell me what you think about this project. You guys have a great one, and I will see you later, and ciao.